Good morning, everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today, I would like to share a few words about practicing English. English is the international language used all over the world. To learn English well, practice is very important. Only reading books is not enough for learning English. We must speak and use English daily in our life. Practicing English improves our fluency and confidence. You can practice by reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Group discussion, debate, presentations also help a lot. Even 10 to 15 minutes of daily practice, you can sense your level. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. If you practice regularly, one day you will speak English like a native. So never give up. Keep practicing with confidence. Thank you very much for listening to me.